If you're struggling to text with your Tinder or Bumble match, maybe ChatGPT could be your virtual dating coach. Here are some of the ways you could use it. Step 1. Start by carefully reading the profile of the person you are interested in. Note any hobbies, interests, or quirky facts that they have shared. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate an initial message. Share with ChatGPT a brief summary of the person's profile, focusing on what caught your attention. For example, she loves hiking and has a dog named Max. Ask ChatGPT to draft a message that includes a question about their interest, making it engaging and showing you have read their profile. Step 3. Once you receive a reply, consult ChatGPT for advice on how to keep the conversation flowing. Share with it what the person replied and what could excite them to be more engaged to reply to you. Step 4. After a few message exchanges, when the conversation feels right, use ChatGPT to help suggest a good way to ask for their contact or suggest some places for a romantic date. Mention any shared interests that could be a basis for your first meeting, such as a love for coffee, which could be leading to a date suggestion. You will be surprised to know the witty and funny replies that ChatGPT can generate. But do remember, the key is genuine conversation and mutual interests. Good luck. Subscribe to learn more such useful stuff.